So who viewed your TikTok video? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can find out who has viewed your TikTok videos. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. So are you curious as to how you can find out who has viewed a TikTok video? Well, with the recent update, TikTok has recently also rolled out this feature, and in order to enable this, first just come to your profile page, and once you come to your profile page, you have to tap on the three lines which you see on the top right corner. As you tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, you'll enable all this type of menu and pop-up options. Just go to the one that says settings and privacy, and as you go to settings and privacy, over here you'll be able to see a list of all these options. Again, you want to tap on the option that says privacy, and as you tap on privacy here, you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find this option that says post views. So how it works is that if you turn on post views, and when somebody who also has their post views turned on views your video on TikTok, you're basically going to get notified that someone has viewed your post, which means that you can also go ahead and find them within that particular video. However, let's say that person has turned off post views, and if you have turned it on, that way you are not going to get notified. In this case, both of you needs to have this option turned on. In another occasion, let's say that you have turned it off yourself and the other person has post views turned on, then also you will not be able to get notified. It's only one party, then it's a fail. If both parties, then it's the pass. It's as simple as that. So let's say that you have post views turned on and you also view someone's post, then they're also going to get notified that you have viewed their particular video, and then go ahead and check in the views section of the TikTok video. But this is it. Hopefully this answered the question as to how you can find out who viewed your TikTok videos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.